Hey, my name is Arham and we are going to talk about actions. An action is an activity a user takes on a website or a mobile app. This could be clicking on an item, watching a video, purchasing a product, downloading a file, or even just viewing a page. For example, when scrolling through an Instagram story, you land on a sponsored advertisement by Starbucks, introducing new summer drinks to you. Once you swipe up to learn more about the offers, you're on their landing page. And on the landing page, a pop-up offers you some chocolate chip cookies with two options. One is order now and the other is not now. So you select not now and you're exposed to another summer forever offer, introducing you to a range of drinks this season. And then you end up spending another 10 minutes browsing their summer drinks and new coffees. And each act, such as clicking a tab, navigating to the menu, adding items to your cart, purchasing something, all these activities will account as actions. So these actions help study the user behavior. It helps understand what interests the user and prompts a click. If any content leads them out of your site, it's time to review the content or even maybe just remove it. So it is important to optimize your website with call to actions, such as adding a button which instructs the user to act. For example, Netflix uses 30-day free trial as a call to action button on its landing pages. So other examples of these call to actions are sign up, buy now, try for free, join us, and get started. These buttons are relevant because in the buyer's journey, they act as a signpost for action. And Uber is another great example. Uber looks for two distinct types of users to sign up. One is the driver and the other is the rider. So both personas are usually shown together in advertisements displaying the rider and driver having a great time in locations around the world. So the driver call to action button is pretty straightforward, which is why it works like magic. So it goes like, make your money driving your car. So the language on the button is plain and simple, which prompts action. So actions may seem a simple concept, however, it is not. So it can be tricky to get people to interact on your website, which is what makes it significant. So getting the user to interact is what drives them into the sales funnel. If through design, content, and call to action buttons, your site can make the user act in a desired way, then you know your strategy is working. So let us know in comments about how you got your audience to interact on your website or your mobile app. Give us a like if you found this useful and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.
Data Science Dojo. Data science for everyone.